This is the Medicine Hat and District Chamber of Commerce with your daily COVID-19 update for April 8th. The government announced some welcome changes to the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy program today, including the flexibility to compare revenue of March, April, and May 2020 to that of the same month of 2019, or to compare an average of the revenue earned in January and February 2020. You'll also have the ability to demonstrate a 15% reduction in gross revenues for March, with a 30% reduction then required in April and May. You'll have the ability to measure revenues either on the basis of accrual accounting, so as revenue is earned, or cash accounting, as revenue is received. Special rules would also be provided to address issues for corporate groups, non-arm's length entities, and joint ventures. There will be an ability to receive a 100% refund for certain employer-paid contributions to employment insurance and the Canada Pension Plan, and registered charities and not-for-profit organizations will be eligible, and they'll have a choice of whether or not to include government funding in their revenues for comparison purposes. The Canadian Chamber of Commerce released a statement applauding these positive steps, but also urging the Canadian government to get these funds into business owners' hands in days, as opposed to weeks. We also received more information that businesses should be able to start applying for the Canada Emergency Business Account interest-free loan on April 9th, so make sure you connect with your bank for that information. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau also announced temporary changes to the Canada Summer Jobs Program that will help employers hire summer staff and provide young Canadians access to the jobs they need during this unprecedented time. This program will help create up to 70,000 jobs for youth between 15 and 30 years of age and will provide opportunities for youth to develop and improve their skills within the not-for-profit, small business, and public sectors. The temporary changes to the program for this year include an increase to the wage subsidy so that private and public sector employers can receive up to 100% of the provincial or territorial minimum hourly wage for each employee. There will be an extension to the end date for employment to February 28, 2021. It will allow employers to adapt their projects and job activities to support essential services, and it will allow employers to hire staff on a part-time basis. These changes will help youth stay connected to the labour market, save money for their future, and find quality jobs in safe, inclusive, and healthy work environments. The modelling projections from the provincial government for COVID-19 highlights the importance of continuing aggressive countermeasures to protect the lives and livelihoods of Albertans in order to stop the pandemic and to restore our economy. The Government of Alberta is advising that existing public health orders could be in place until the end of May to protect the health and safety of Albertans. So you can find more information in our daily update. There's some additional resources on our website, in addition to a video between the Honourable Perrin Beatty, President and CEO of the Canadian Chamber of Commerce, along with the Minister of Small Business, Export Promotion and International Trade. So you can view that in our daily update to help prepare, persevere, and ultimately prosper through this pandemic. We hope this daily update was of value to you, and we'll talk to you again soon.